As you can see, like large, long, detailed equalizers. Also, you can do equalizer, so you're gonna do the even more fine tune. Also, you can do even more tune on your music. Also, you can tune its FM radio here. You're gonna just click and it's gonna start without any advertising. It works flawless. Hey guys, if you're in the market for the high resolution, high res audio player, this is the video for you. This is HiBy Digital, right? M300. HiBy Digital makes all kinds of high resolution audio players, and I test a lot of audio equipment from expensive to cheap or all that kind of stuff. So I always run some kind of the unit like this. So this is a high resolution. You're gonna be surprised how the unit for the price it's gives you the action. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna show you like if hidden features, all that stuff, right? It's very interesting. So as you can see, built and fit and finish is great on this. The back is sides plastic, but it's all the sides like a very high quality fit and finish, right? And on the top, as you can see, you have a left and right microphones. Microphones are really good microphones. It's better than your phone microphone. I do record all the time. There's videos with the different microphones, and as you can see now I'm recording with the audio recorder, also 32-bit, but it's this microphone, it's when you're recording, it doesn't give you any hissing sounds, and you can do all kind of stuff. We're going to come back to that. On this side you have indicator lights on the top, is the charging lights, also indicator lights, and the power button here, and the volume up and down button here. So it's really good to have like actually hard buttons. And also you have the previous, next, play, pause buttons here. Even you're at the gym, you can just touch in your pocket and you can adjust your music, the volume, all that stuff. FN button is going to be here. The hard buttons they put up here is really good. Plus you have a loudspeaker under it and USB-C charger. The battery lasts the entire day, so the battery is very good. It's strong battery. If you watch a lot of videos, then it's gonna eat a lot faster, but just listening to music it's gonna a lot longer. The listening to music is gonna be like a couple days. 3.5 RCA jack, also the audio input if you have a microphone, and you have a safety hook here and the SD card slide here. So let's go inside to the app and the walk through it inside the device, and I mean in the apps. So it comes with the pretty much like a couple apps pre-installed, Google Play Store, and the file device. This is from the Android 13 file device, and this one is a pre-installed app, and I like this app much better to control your files inside the app. Really good. So being the Android 13, you can load any app you want. It's functional just right like your phone or any tablets. If you connect through the Wi-Fi, your internet, right? The Bluetooth is very good. You can connect any high resolution audios, and it streams through the Bluetooth to high resolution audio too. So like huge plus that actually it has a functionality. You can switch through the Bluetooth the high resolution audio, or you can just manage. Now it didn't connect, so it didn't give me any options. So you can actually close any files you want, or you can share the file, the type you want, through the Bluetooth. So that's a huge plus. So now they make in-house built the HiBy app for the music playing, and this is one of the best app I ever used. It's a more functional without any glitch. It works always, and as you can see, this the music 96 kilohertz, 24 bits, and almost 3000 kilobytes per second music. It's a high resolution music I have, and also when you go through it, MP3 is going to be 1000 kilobytes, all that stuff, right? So it's going to give you some options there. And also on the app you see some the music is HD, some of them SQ, so you know which music it's how. Also when you go to the app itself, this side, as you can see, like a large, long, detailed equalizer, so you can equalize your music on your preference. Also you can do equalizer, so you're gonna do the even more fine tune in analyzing your music. Also you can do even more tune on your music, to add some you know, the music details, all that stuff. So great app from beginning to run without any advertising. It works flawless. Also, what you can do, I installed Google Maps here, offline Google Maps, so you can do the pocket Google Maps when you're jogging, when you're hiking. Also, it's gonna work like a Google Maps, offline Google Maps. It's working here, so you can find it. Also, you can tune its FM radio here. You're gonna just click and it's gonna start on my fingers. So somehow it's yeah. You're gonna install high resolution headphones, and we're gonna come back and you can tune the FM radio here. Also, you can, if your music is playing, you can record that music through this app. So it's another great app for the work. So calculators, you can do all the calculators. Pretty much you can install any apps with the app store and you can run it. So very great clean screen. As you can see, you can even watch the YouTube videos. Any YouTube videos you can go. So this one is from the YouTube. It's Amazon. Even you can go with the Amazon Prime movies, the Prime videos, and you can stream there, or you can do this full screen and watch your favorite movies, right? All right, yeah, you can browse and do it. Now back to the amplifier. I forgot to tell you guys, the built-in amplifier is very strong. It's gonna rock and roll any your headphones, right? For example, here this part, like volume, I always keep around 10, right? And the master volume, it's on the top. It moves back and forth. So master volume, it goes red even after 30. I usually listen, all the music is the highest, like 38, and if even 50, it's gonna be playing loud, right? This amplifier, the built-in amplifier, it's so good. It's gonna play. Okay, let me wait this. You see that even that side. So even that master volume, it's the cut it's half. It's still enough juice rock and roll any headphones, right? So the pre-built amplifier is loud. Also, this unit, they made the flip upside down. As you can see, if you don't like this wire sitting under the unit, can flip upside down. Now your unit is going to be this way. Now back to the microphone. As you can see, microphone setting is like an Android 13 device. You can record for the multiple sample rate, MP3 or FLAC, or you know, the WAV formats. Also, you can do noise canceling, right, for the recordings. And the microphone is never gets any handling noise when you're touching. So this is another great product. It's a pocket audio recorder. So I have a bunch of audio recorders. Even now, so I'm recording with the audio recorders, right, left and right channel right here. And this one is records really clean and good. Noise reduction, you can do it. Or this is a stereo microphone. Actually gives you stereo audio for the two sides. And you can just stop it. You can pause. You can save the audio, and you can just listen it back. I didn't switch to the speaker because I was just pulling the app. It was working, so it's gonna get a lot louder from the speaker itself. So let's take the speaker.
Right now, I am deep inside a Chinese cockroach factory.
The video I found is I just quit. All right, so as you can see, the speaker is good enough to enjoy your time, your movie, or you can just use it. So great product for the price, you guys. The offering right now, you can get it. So the great pocket recorder. Also, you can rock and roll any your high definition 2000 milliamp battery. It lasts forever if you don't watch the videos. So here's the specs of this device right here. You can go through it. Okay, as you can see, here's the device specs. CPU is going to be a Snapdragon 665. DAC, it's SN from the Chinese company, right? 3 GB, 33 GB is the storage, also RAM. So it's a strong device for the size that is compared with the phone. It's a lot smaller, thinner, and its hands on your pockets is very good. So great product for the price, guys. Hope this video helps you choose right product for your money. I'm out. Also in the next video.